and you're watching Mustard Temper Dreams. The recipe we are making today is a very unique and flavorful Maharashtrian dish made by using raw green mangoes, and this dish is called Kairi Palu. The best description of this dish would be a spicy, sweet, tangy, jammy chutney made out of raw mangoes that would cause an explosion of flavors in your mouth. Trust me, it's nothing like anything you've tasted before. Kairi Palu is usually eaten as a side dish with your meals, but if you want to get creative, you can totally use it as a spread or a dip. So let's go make some amazing Kairi Palu, and you will find all the ingredients listed in the description below. Here I have with me 2 medium-sized raw mangoes that I've thoroughly washed. Now I'm going to cut off the top bit or the stem part of both the mangoes. Now I'll add the mangoes into a pressure cooker with about 2 cups of water. We'll pressure cook the mangoes for about 2 whistles or till they are completely cooked. When the mangoes are cool enough, we'll peel them and remove all the pulp. When the mangoes are perfectly cooked, the skin slides off very easily. We'll scrape the pulp off the skin with the help of a spoon before discarding them. Now I'll repeat the same process with the second mango. Now that both the mangoes are peeled and pulped, I'll take out the pulp from the seeds using my hand. Also, we are going to retain the seeds and not discard them. So here I have gotten about a cup of pulp from both the mangoes. Now to make the palu, I'm going to start by adding about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and as they begin spluttering, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds. Then goes 3 to 4 pinches of hing or Asafoetida and a few curry leaves. We'll give this tempering a quick stir and then add the mango pulp along with the seeds. We'll saute the pulp for about 2 minutes, constantly stirring it, and then add the powdered spices. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. We'll thoroughly mix in the spices into the pulp and keep sauteing it for another 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of jaggery for the sweetness. We'll keep mixing till the jaggery completely melts and then add some salt to taste. We'll saute this for a minute or 2 till the palu comes to a thick, jammy consistency. And there it is, our palu is now ready to eat. Oh my god, my mouth is watering just looking at this palu. I'm going to taste it right now. Oh wow, what a blast of flavors! Make sure you give this recipe a try, and when you do, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. See you next week with another delicious recipe. Bye!